In the quiet whispers of the dawn, our journey begins where the earth breathes, cradling the secrets of life within its fertile and ancient emerald embrace. A vast horizon of emerald green stretches out, where the morning sun kisses the morning dew, awakening the essence of nature's most humble and precious gift. Gentle hands, weathered by time and wisdom, touch the warm brown earth, sensing the deep connection between the land and those who nurture its many hidden treasures. With a rhythmic grace, the soil yields its bounty, revealing the sturdy cassava root that has drawn its strength from the heart of the motherland's rich soil. Time slows down as the earth falls away like golden dust, showcasing the raw, unrefined beauty of a gift born from the very soul of pure nature. Behold the origin of flavor, a pure and simple root destined for greatness, ready to embark on a transformative path toward a future of modern innovation. The journey continues as the harvest travels across the landscape, winding through hills and valleys towards a destination where tradition meets the cutting edge of science. From the high heavens, the contrast is striking, where the organic curves of the fields meet the sharp, silver lines of the state-of-the-art Ajinomoto production facility. The massive gates slide open with silent precision, welcoming the harvest into a world of light and steel, marking the start of a magnificent technological transformation. Rows of transport vehicles move in perfect synchronization, delivering the heart of the fields to a sanctuary of cleanliness where every detail is managed with care. The air hums with the energy of progress, a symphony of industrial might dedicated to preserving the purity and the nutritional value in every single cassava root. Step inside a realm where the future is forged, a place where the bounty of the earth is honored through the lens of advanced global manufacturing standards. Crystal clear water jets dance with high pressure intensity, washing away the earth to reveal the brilliant white core of the cassava, shimmering like diamonds under lights. Each droplet captures the light as the cleaning process reaches a level of surgical perfection, ensuring that only the most pristine material moves forward into production. Enormous silver vessels rise like monuments of science, reflecting the sterile floors in a mirror-like finish, housing the mysterious and natural process of microbial life. Soft blue neon glows against the polished steel, creating a surreal atmosphere where nature's smallest workers, the microbes, begin their vital work of natural fermentation. A smooth, milky stream of pure liquid starch flows through transparent pipes, moving with a grace that mirrors the fluidity of nature's own life-giving rivers. Inside these chambers, a quiet revolution takes place, as the essence of the cassava is refined and concentrated into its most potent and flavorful biological form. A complex network of gleaming pipes carries the lifeblood of the process, a labyrinth of engineering designed to maintain the highest levels of safety and hygiene. Whiteness and purity dominate the scene, representing the unwavering commitment to quality that defines every step of this intricate and highly sophisticated biological journey of creation. As the natural transformation nears its peak, the focus shifts to the minds and machines that guide this process toward a standard of absolute and perfect excellence. In the heart of the facility, skilled engineers monitor the pulse of production, their fingers dancing across glowing screens filled with real-time data and complex analytics. A stream of information flows constantly, ensuring that every temperature, every pressure, and every second of the process
The
adheres
optical
to the most
density is
rigorous
stable at
international
600
quality
nanometers.
benchmarks. The laboratory is a sanctuary of silence and precision, a white-on-white world where the pursuit of perfection is a daily ritual for the dedicated team of scientists. Mechanical arms move with a silent, robotic grace, capturing samples for analysis with a level of accuracy that transcends the limits of human capability and human error. Under the lens of the microscope, the hidden structure of the product is revealed, confirming the success of the fermentation and the purity of the final outcome. Human intuition and machine precision work in a seamless partnership, a harmonious collaboration that ensures the legacy of Ajinomoto remains at the very peak of industry. Every surface is a testament to the standard of absolute
Fluctuation
hygiene,
at the 400
where the
nanometer mark
minimalist
is
design
inconsistent with the
reflects the
expected decay
clarity
rate.
and the
Agreed.
focus
If
of
we
the
increase
mission
the voltage
to nourish
threshold,
life.
it should stabilize the
Expert
reading.
minds deliberate over the finest details, driven by a passion for excellence that turns a simple agricultural product into a global standard for delicious and healthy flavor. The silent hum of the servers and the rhythmic flashing of the lights tell a story of a factory that never sleeps, always watching over the quality. With the process verified and the quality assured, we move toward the final moment of alchemy, where the liquid essence becomes a solid, crystalline form of art. Witness the miracle of crystallization as the essence of the earth transforms, cell by cell, into brilliant, translucent crystals that catch and refract the surrounding studio light. Like tiny diamonds born from the soil, these crystals represent the pinnacle of flavor, a pure expression of umami captured through the power of advanced modern biotechnology. The camera zooms deep into the structure, revealing a world of geometric perfection where light and matter converge to create something truly extraordinary and beautiful to behold. In this idealized vision of production, the factory operates as a single, living organism, a masterpiece of automation where every movement is a part of a grand dance. High-speed robots move with a blur of efficiency, placing the finished product into their iconic packaging with a speed and accuracy that defines the modern industrial era. Thousands of packages stream along the conveyor belts, a silver and red river of flavor ready to bring joy and nourishment to kitchens all around the globe. The familiar logo shines under the bright factory lights, a symbol of trust and quality that has been earned through decades of dedication to the art of seasoning. Pallets are stacked high, ready to be shipped across oceans and continents, carrying the spirit of the earth and the power of technology to every dining table. The journey from the soil is complete as the finished product leaves the line, a perfect embodiment of the union between Mother Earth and the bright future. Across the world, the journey finds its purpose at the family table, where the simple addition of flavor brings smiles and creates memories that last a lifetime. The pure joy of a shared meal is the ultimate reward, a testament to the mission of providing deliciousness that contributes to the health and happiness of everyone. As the sun sets over the modern facility, the building glows with a warm light, standing as a beacon of sustainable production and a promise for tomorrow. The Ajinomoto name stands proud against the twilight sky, a legacy of innovation that continues to evolve, respecting the past while boldly leading the way into the future. Eat well, live well, a commitment to the planet, a commitment to you, ensuring that the essence of the earth continues to nourish the world for generations.